and today I'm reviewing the Acute Care Physical Therapy Crash Course. Now, I really like this course for a variety of reasons. Number one, it's very similar to my course, that you pay one price, and then as the course evolves over time, you still get access to it. Number two, this course as of today is under $30, so it's a very, very good price point, even for students. So if you want to go ahead and pick up the course, use the link in the description below, and you can pick it up for under $30. Also, if you're a student going on to your first acute care rotation, it's going to help you immensely. If you're a PT that's never worked in acute care, but may do so on the travel contract, or you're just switching settings or what have you, it's going to be very, very beneficial to you as well. Now, I really, really like the overview of this course. It really does teach you everything you need for your first day as an acute care PT. Now, let me back up a bit and let me say that I've been an acute care PT. So as a student, I was an acute care PT for 8 weeks in Miami, actually a Spanish-only speaking hospital. So I actually did most of my acute care rotation only speaking Spanish in Hialeah. And at that rotation, I did wound care, lab values, neuro ICU, what have you. And this course, honestly, would have prepared me much better for that. So if you're a student, I highly recommend picking up this course, not the Spanish aspect, but moving vents, dealing with patients, documentation, and so on. So I know that this would be helpful in all settings. So we're gonna go through the overview here, and I'm just gonna say again, this is probably the best course in acute care for this value. So we'll go through the overview here right now. What I also like too is that once you're logged in, it's customized to you. Your modules are customized to you. The reason this says 0 is because I didn't click mark as complete. And also I didn't want to expose too much of the creator's content to everybody on YouTube, because I'd rather you guys buy the course to get most of the content. But we'll go through the overview here in a second. So you get the top 5 diagnoses that are seen in acute care, working in the ICU. Again, lab values under meetings, caring for patients on the trach and vent. That's huge, especially now with COVID. Cardiopulmonary diagnoses, post-op, DME, and then also documentation, wound care, and so on. So again, right now you can get this course for under $30 using the link below. So I highly recommend you pick it up, especially if you're a student that might be going on an acute care clinical, or if you're a PT considering transitioning to acute care, or maybe you've never worked in acute care and you just want this resource. So I highly recommend this course. Make sure you go ahead, pick up the course from the link below, subscribe, and like. Again, I'm Dr. Smith, physical therapist. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoy this course, make sure you let the creator know as well. All right.